just got an update from the dealership that they are getting the new car loaded up to ship it out, and we should have it within the next day or two. I'm really excited about it.
Not exactly sure why he decided that the middle of the road was the place to unload the car, but there it is. Hey, at least we know the hazard lights work. Looks good. Brands Hatch, bro. Metallic. The trailer she came in on. Hey friends, how are you?
A few moments later.
Woo! No, I'm locking, let me in. That sound.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a buckle up.
9 miles of fuel left. Okay. Well, and the tires need air.
I'm pretty sure you can make that gap. Off to Edgewater?
Not yet. Hello.
Hey, look, it's Greta.
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. I think she's a little jealous.
Yes, she was. Okay, we are back and we have got the new car in the garage. Oh yeah. It feels good to have the BMW back. Got the keys. Let's pull it out. It's filthy. It needs to be washed. So does the whole garage, but that's part of life. I've already got a lot of plans for a lot of things that need to be done or that I want to have done, but everything's in really good shape. It's pretty clean. Need to get the windows tinted, need to get some carbon fiber. Pretty much everything is basic plastic except the roof is carbon fiber, so I'm excited about that. That's fun. My last one had a sunroof. But yeah, here it is, and looking forward to the build. Already having some conversations to get some carbon fiber for the front. Got to get front mount intakes too. And I'm still thinking through what I want to do for an exhaust. I don't know if I want to go crazy and like full catless downpipes. We'll see. Unfortunately, since this is the one downside to having this be the LCI, obviously if I want to do the catless downpipes, then I actually have to tune the car, which is fine. But in order to tune these ECUs, you have to take it to have it unlocked. And from what I understand, that's a pretty expensive process. And also your car's down for like 2 weeks, maybe even longer, depending on how long shipping takes and that kind of stuff. But I think you have to like actually ship it overseas, and then they do the unlock and bring it back. But yeah, this is it. Pretty excited. Not even sure what all we're gonna get into, but it's been a couple days since we got the car and just haven't even had time to actually record anything. That's what life with kids is like. But yeah, just wanted to bring it back, or bring the phone back, bring the camera back out, and do a little quick recording, show you guys the new car. Gotta go into sport mode, of course. Exhaust is so quiet. We'll fix that. Pops and burbles. I guess that's another thing they changed with the LCI. My last one was an 18 and it burbled a lot easier. I think it burbled louder too, but it does still burble a little bit in second and third gear. I haven't even really driven it that much. But you do get a little something on downshifts from fourth to third and second. Squeaky M brakes. I didn't really miss that, but also kind of nice to have it back. Thankfully, I don't have any issues scraping the driveway. We'll see how that works after I get a lip and a diffuser on it. I want to lower it too, but I don't know if I'll be able to without scraping it like every time I go in or out of the driveway. So we'll see. Need to have it washed, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick cinematic just for fun.
So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. It's going tomorrow to get window tint and paint correction. I think ceramic coating as well. And so that's gonna be good just to kind of get it cleaned back up and get the windows tinted so we can get rid of the fishbowl, and working on getting some carbon and some other stuff too. Look forward to sharing the rest of the build with you. And if you liked the video, like and subscribe, and we'll see if we keep posting. Take care, guys.